All right. This leak was between the metal and that copper. I tried to get the owner to replace the coil. I actually tried to get him to replace the unit, but he don't want to do it. I tried leak stop, leak seal it. It didn't work. You see how loud it is. That's nitrogen on the inside. I try to use an orange solder, 15%, to hope to try to try to hope I can seal it, but the leak will still come out of there. But now I can get to it. I don't have my head camera on. I would show the repair, but I think I can get to it now. And it's still on the inside though. That's the bad part about it. Let's see where it's at. Don't try this at home. Around the compressor right here, just trying to get this circuit up and running at least 50%. I still can't hardly pinpoint it. It must be all nice. Yeah, it's all the nitrogen in that thing. But I'm just gonna make an attempt to try to bend it out a little bit. Alright, this is what I'm fighting against. It is almost 7 o'clock. We're gonna get it though.